Hey everybody, today is Saturday, March 31st. I've been having coughing fits today, which is lovely. So I don't know if I'm well enough to go out tonight or not. Um, there's like this sneeze, just excuse me. um, so I don't know if I'm well enough to go out tonight. I've been cold, like really freaking cold. Like right now I'm wearing an undershirt under my t-shirt, which I usually don't do. Um, So I'm gonna get a cup of hot tea when I head downstairs. Mass Effect seems to be doing a weekend thing where if you can get two of your characters up to level 20, you get some free stuff. I don't know if I can do that, but we'll see. It is my intention to play some Mass Effect 3 today and tomorrow. But tomorrow, of course, is Star Wars The Old Republic Day. So I'm looking forward to it. But, anyways, that's really all I've got. I did more Star Trek Online roleplay last night. Got involved in some interesting things with Starfleet intelligence because my character is planning a visit to the Delta Volantis cluster, and Intel has quite a few operations they're keeping an eye on, running, don't want me stepping on toes, blah blah blah. I swear, Vice Admirals can't go anywhere these days. Um, but yes, so that's the roleplay issue there. Um, yeah, that's really all I've got. I need to go get that cup of tea now. So, until next time.